Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the today's videos, I will talking about a small businesses loan online in the USA and world. In today's digital world, obtaining financial for a small business has become more accessible than ever before. Thanks to the rise of online leading platform, whether you are a startup or a established businesses looking to expand, a small businesses loan online can provide the financial support you need with easy and convenience. These loans are typically quicker to obtain, require less of paperwork, and are often more flexible than traditional bank loans. This is especially important for small businesses owners who may not have access to traditional funding sources. In this video, we will dive deep into a small businesses loan available online, their benefits, how they work, and what you need to know about applying for them both in the USA and globally. From government backed loan to paper to per lending, we will explore the various type of loan available, eligibility requirement, and the best platform to consider for your business. So if you are a small businesses owner looking to scale, grow, or overcome financial hurdle, stay tuned as we discuss how to leverage online loans to achieve your goals. What are a small businesses loan online? A small businesses loan online are financial product provided by a variety of online platforms, including fintech companies, online leaders, peer-to-peer lending website, and even some traditional bank with digital service. These loans offer a small businesses access to capital that they might not have been able to obtain through traditional financial institutions. The application process for online loans is typically fast, and businesses can often receive funds within a few days or even hours. In the United States, the Government Small Businesses Administration (SBA) grantees certain loans, making them more accessible to small businesses. Meanwhile, many alternative online lenders focus on helping businesses that may not qualify for traditional loan, providing them with various options to get the money they need. How do a small businesses loan online work? The application process for a small businesses loan online typically involves the following steps. First is application. Businesses apply through an online platform or lender's website, filling out basic detail about their business, including revenue, expenses, and credit history. Second is eligibility check. Lender assess the business's financial health using data-driven algorithm, often reviewing business's performance metrics like cash flow, revenue, and exacting debt. Some platforms may use alternative data like transcription or even social media activity to assess credit worthiness. Third is loan offer. Based on the information provided, the platform will present loan offer, including interest rate, repayment terms, and loan amount. Fourth is approval and disbursement. If a loan offer is accepted, funds are disbursed directly to the business bank account, sometime as quickly as within 24 hours. Repayment terms are generally fixed, and repayment method may include weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly repayment. Type of online small businesses loan. First is term loan. There are traditional loans where businesses receive a lump sum of money and repay it with interest over a fixed term. The terms are often flexible and vary from lender to lender. Second is lines of credit. Similar to a credit card, a lines of credit allow businesses to borrow fund and as needed, paying interest only on the amount used. This offers flexibility for businesses with fluctuating cash flow needs. Third is invoicing financing. This type of loan allows businesses to use outstanding invoice as collateral for a loan. It is ideal for companies that have long payment cycle but need fund immediately to continue operation. Fourth is equipment finance. If businesses need to purchase or less equipment, this type of loan allows them to secure funding by using the equipment itself as collaterals. Fifth is peer-to-peer (P2P) lending. P2P lending connects small businesses directly with individual investors who are willing to provide capital in exchange for interest payment. This has become a popular option for small businesses owners who may not qualify for traditional loans. Sixth is crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe enable businesses to raise funds from the public, often in exchange for products or services rather than interest payment. In the United States, small businesses owners face significant challenges such as managing cash flow, purchasing inventory, covering payrolls, and funding expansions. To address these needs, the US government, the private lenders offer various loan options. First is SBA loans. The Small Businesses Administration offers some of the most favorable loan term in the USA. The SBA guarantee loans made by approved lenders, reducing the risk for the lender and making loans more accessible for small businesses. Popular SBA loans type. First is 7A loan, the most common SBA loan, offering up to $5 million for working capital, equipment, and real estate. Second is CDC and 504 loans, primarily for financing fixed asset like real estate and machinery. Third is micro loans program, provides up to $50,000 for a startup and a small businesses. Second is online lenders. Non-bank lenders such as Kabu Edge, OnDesk, Fundbox, and Bluevine have made it easier for small businesses to access funding. These lenders typically offer quicker approval time and more flexible eligibility requirement compared to traditional banks. Type of online loans. First is term loans. Lump sum funding with a fixed repayment period, lines of credit, flexible funding that allow businesses to borrow as needed, similar to a credit card. Third is invoice financing, funding based on outstanding invoices, allowing businesses to get paid upfront. Third is alternative financing. Online lending platform has introduced more options such as pre lending and crowdfunding, which allow businesses to raise funds from individual investors for the public. Second is invoice financing, a type of loan where a businesses borrow money against amount due from customers. Fourth is eligibility approval. Online lenders typically have more lenient requirements than traditional banks. They often use data-driven algorithms to assess credit worthiness, taking into account factors such as revenue, business history, and cash flow. Businesses may still need to meet minimum revenue threshold, provide documentation like tax returns or financial statement, and have a certain credit score. Though online lenders are generally more flexible. Globally, the trends of online small businesses loan is expanding. In Europe, in the EU countries like the UK, Germany, and France have seen significant growth in online lending platforms. For example, Funding Circle and Rate a Stutter are popular in the UK, offering P2P loans to small businesses. European Union countries are often governed by a specific regulation to protect businesses and consumers, such as the EU crowdfunding regulation, which enable businesses to raise up to 5 million euro through online platform. Second is ACI. In countries like China, India, and South Asia, online leading is gaining popularity due to the large number of small businesses and the rise of fintech companies. India has platforms like Lending Cart and Capital Float, which offer loan to a small and medium enterprises based on digital data and credit scoring. China online lending market is massive, with companies like Anti Financial and LuxFax leading the charge. Africa. Online leading in Africa is still in its early stage, but it's growing fast. Platforms like MCOP and Jumbo are bringing macro loans entrepreneur, especially in Kenya and South Africa, where mobile payments are widespread. These services often cater to underbanked population, offering loans based on mobile data and transaction history rather than traditional credit score, revolutionizing the way a small businesses access capital. With a wide range of loan types, faster approval times, and less red tape, these loans are an excellent option for entrepreneurs who need quick financial assistance to grow their businesses. Whether you are in the USA or anywhere in the world, online lending platform often flexibility and accessibility that traditional financial institution often cannot match. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content about a small business's growth and finance tips.